and today we'll discuss about few heart healthy food. Before starting this, let me tell you what actually happens, how this cardiac arrest, cardiac issues happens. So deposits in the wall of a coronary artery, that is called atherosclerotic plaque, that keeps building up, and then when this has deposited in the wall of artery, it has clogged the artery. Okay, that time you have pain when you exert. Whenever you exert, you will have a pain in your chest. That is called angina pain. Angina. So this is what happens. You know that the fat from the cholesterol, the bad cholesterol from our fat cells, you know, they get ruptured, and the fat cells get ruptured, and the fat get deposited in the artery, and that keep depositing until the time it has completely blocked our artery. So this has not happened in just one day. Okay, it has happened for so many years. It has been happening, you know, for so many years, decades, before it has shown its first symptom to you. Research has been done in the children. It was found that even 10 years old children are having, you know, the fatty streaks have been found in the blood of the children. Those fatty streak turns into plaque as they go into their 20s and 30s, and the first symptoms of heart attack occur by the time you are 40 and 45, and you feel ki how this happened. This had been happening to you, this had been building up for decades, for so many years. We didn't even realize it, and it doesn't even give us time. This heart attack generally don't give us second chance. You know, it has its symptoms, and that is the last symptom. It doesn't even give us time to even go to hospital. So how can we avoid it? You know, it's high time we must think about including good food in our diet so that we can avoid this. And please be careful about what your children are eating, because whatever your children are eating, you know, it's been you are giving them you are supposed to give them good foundation, so that the foundation is good and they have a healthy body, so that we can erase this cardiac issue from the world, you know, by eating healthy diet, giving good workout. So let's discuss few of the things which we can include in our diet. Though the first one is leafy greens. Leafy greens, I always say कि one bowl of leafy green, if you can eat every day, it will, you know, it will first, it has got vitamin K. It is high in dietary nitrates, which can lower down your LDL, that is low density lipoprotein, that is a bad cholesterol. Then the whole grains. Whole grains are those, you know, in which the germ, endosperm, with this all these whole grains are. Then comes the whole grains. Whole grains are those in which the germ, endosperm, and the bran is intact in the seed. So go for the whole grain food, the 3 servings of whole grain every day. Don't take refined flour, everybody knows. Then comes the berries. Berries you have to take every day, 30 grams of berries. Include them. Grapes, black grapes also comes in berries. Cranberries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. So many berries are there. So include them in your diet, because berries have got antioxidants, you know, the antioxidant called anthocyanin in them, which helps you, it protects the artery wall. Then comes the avocados. Avocados contain monounsaturated fat, which is very good for our health. So include avocado in your diet. 30 grams of avocado will also be enough for a day. Then include fatty fish. If you are a non-vegetarian, you can include fatty fish or fish oil. As we all know, the fish oil is good omega-3. It's good for your heart. So you can include that also in your diet. Then comes the bean. Bean has got one resistant starch. That starch ferments inside our body, and that fermentation give rise to, the fermentation when happen, it lower down your triglycerides and LDL, that is bad cholesterol, low density lipoprotein. Then comes the walnuts. Include it in your diet. Only 2 walnuts if you include in your diet, that will be enough. Then comes the dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is good, but make sure it is had got 70% cocoa in it. Dark bitter chocolate is good, but not all chocolates, because chocolate has generally have a lot of fat and the sweet. So you have to make sure the chocolate is has got at least 70% cocoa in it. It's a good source of flavonoids. Then comes the tomatoes. Tomatoes are very good for your this, because it has got lycopene, that is lycopene. This is a good antioxidant. It neutralizes the free radicals. Free radicals matlab it neutralizes the effects of all the bad foods that you eat. So include it in your diet. Then comes the almonds. We all eat almonds every day, so that is not a new thing. Monounsaturated fat it has got, so have to include 43 grams of this almonds. If you include them daily in your diet, it will lower down your LDL. Then comes the seeds. Includes chia seeds, flax seed, hemp seeds. These seeds you can include, have 1 tablespoon of these seeds you can include in your diet every day. And then comes the garlic. Garlic has allicin. That is also very good. It helps in lowering down your cholesterol. And this garlic extract that we can have, the one garlic extract that we can have garlic. Garlic has allicin. That another, it's a good. It helps in lowering down your cholesterol. And then comes olive oil. 2 teaspoons of olive oil you can have. You can just sprinkle it in your dal, in your sabji, anywhere. Just use it. 2 teaspoons only. And then edamame. Edamame is that broad soya falli that we have in India. That is called edamame. It's a good source of protein, and it really helps in lowering down your cholesterol. So include it in your diet. Then comes a green tea. Green tea, everybody knows it's good. 2 to 3 cups of green tea you have to include in your diet. And then comes the Brazil nut. I have not written it, but Brazil nut is written here. But let me. Only 4 Brazil nuts you have to take once a month. It can lower your cholesterol to significant level. It works, as it is as good. Some scientists say it is as good as a statin drug that we take for the for lowering down our cholesterol. So Brazil nuts, 4 only Brazil nuts, if you take once a month, it will lower down your cholesterol. Just try it. It is like a super magic food. So include it in your diet and stay healthy, and please take care of your health. Please include these food in your diet. These are not expensive, we all can afford it. So please include it and be healthy, and let's fight against all these heart issues. Let's stay healthy. Let's keep our children healthy.